In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Framer templates. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by creating a clean, high-quality template in Framer that's easy for buyers to customize. Pick a clear niche like an agency site or a personal portfolio so your layout and components solve a real problem. Focus on modular sections, consistent spacing, and reusable components so someone can swap content quickly. Export or assemble the visual assets you'll need: polished screenshots, device mockups, and 1 or 2 preview pages. You can export these directly from Framer or use Figma if you prefer finer control over presentation. When your template is ready, generate a shareable remix link by going to File and choosing Copy Remix Link in Framer. Keep that link handy because it's how buyers will duplicate your project instantly. Next, set up the store that will handle payments and delivery. Lemon Squeezy is a great fit for Framer sellers, and Payhip is a reliable alternative. Create a new product in your chosen platform and fill in a clear product name, an informative description that highlights customization points, and attractive images that show how the template looks on different screens. Set a fair price based on the quality and niche demand. Look at similar templates to calibrate your value. Then connect the remix link you copied into the store settings so customers get immediate access. Paste it into the fields that redirect customers after purchase and into the receipt button link so they can open the template from their confirmation email. When you're ready to launch, promote the template widely. Use the unique share URL generated by your store listing and post it on Twitter, Pinterest, Behance, and in relevant design communities where potential buyers hang out. Tailor each post to the platform. Visuals for Pinterest, case study style images for Behance, and concise copy for Twitter. Submit your template to the Framer marketplace as well, following their listing guidelines to increase visibility and trust. Finally, provide excellent documentation and responsive support. Include a simple guide explaining how to import the remix, change text and images, and publish. Fast, clear customer service builds reputation and leads to positive reviews and repeat buyers. With a focused template, clean marketing materials, a reliable checkout flow, and supportive documentation, you'll be well positioned to start selling Framer templates successfully.